Children, now third part of the electrostatics. Please keep on concentrating. That is Coulomb's law in vector form. Coulomb's law in vector form. See, charge is q1 having position vector r1. Q2 is having the position vector r2. R12 is called displacement vector from 2 to 1. Displacement vector from 2 to 1. That is R1 minus R2 or vice versa. Force between these two in vector form is like this. Force on first charge due to second is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 divided by r12 square into r12 cap. This r12 cap is called unit vector from 2 to 1. Unit vector from 2 to 1. 2 to 1. So this is vector form. On the similar lines, what is force on second charge due to first in vector form? Please pardon me, it should be accompanied by an arrow mark. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 upon r1 r21 square r21 cap. Now here r21 is f21 is called force on second charge, due to first, and r21 is called unit vector from 1 to 2, whose value is equal to 1. It is just used to give the direction of the force. So this is Coulomb's law in vector form. Now next, children, definition of relative permittivity or dielectric constant denoted by letter epsilon r or k. Relative permittivity of the medium is defined as ratio of force between the charges in air to the force between the charges in the given medium. Means what? If you want to measure relative permittivity of, say, paper, what you should do? Place the charges in air, measure the force, that will give force in air. Then in between the charges q1 and q2, place paper. What you should place? Paper medium. When you place the paper, force will decrease. That force, when paper is placed, that you calculate. Force when the charges are placed in paper. Force in air divided by force in paper will give relative permittivity of paper. How do you find relative permittivity of water? Relative permittivity of water is, it is ratio of force between the charges in air to the force between the charges in water medium. This ratio is called relative permittivity of water. How do you find relative permittivity of wood? Relative permittivity of wood is force between the charges in air to the force between the charges in wood, provided distance is same and charges are same. Now, this relative permittivity is having no units and no dimensions. It is dimensionless. Understood? This is relative permittivity. Now, what is the effect of this relative permittivity on the force? See here, children. We have electrostatic force or Coulomb force is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught epsilon r q1 q2 upon r square. If at all relative permittivity increases, force goes on decreasing. If relative permittivity decreases, force goes on increasing. So they are inversely proportional. What is role of permittivity then? If permittivity is more, force is less. If permittivity is less, force is more. Inversely proportional. Ulta, like that. Next,